Hermeta has always been at the forefront of innovation in the global chemical additives industry. As a professional chemical manufacturer, we specialize in the research and development and production of organic pigments, inorganic pigments, dyes, additives, and intermediates. Our additives are widely used in coatings, printing inks, pigments, and other industries, helping our customers to improve product quality, reduce production costs, and achieve sustainable development. Whether it is high-performance industrial coatings or fine printing inks, Hermeta additives can help you get more efficient, stable, and environmentally friendly solutions. For high solids coatings, our additives help reduce viscosity and improve workability while reducing VOC emissions and meeting environmental requirements. In powder coatings, our additives improve flow and powder loading, ensure uniform coating, and enhance product appearance. For printing inks, our additives enhance color vibrancy and adhesion for high-quality printing. Relying on advanced R&D laboratories and strict quality management system, we ensure that each product meets international standards and satisfies different needs of our customers. Hermeta is committed to scientific and technological innovation, and through continuous R&D, we continue to introduce more environmentally friendly and efficient chemical additives to lead the industry's future development. With advanced production facilities and a professional R&D team, Hermeta is committed to providing innovative and efficient additive products to our customers. Our products undergo strict quality control to ensure that each batch meets the highest standards. Numerous customers have already benefited from our additive products, and their success stories attest to the excellent results of our products in terms of performance enhancement and cost reduction. For more information about Hermeta Additives products, contact us and let's work together to drive your products to new heights.